Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what is stack and queue in Python. Now let's see what is queue. Queue works on the principle of first in first out, that is called FIFO. We always use pop function passing 0 as an argument to remove the first item from a list. Okay, that is pop function. We have to pass on the argument as a 0 index. Let's see how it will work. Let me take the same stack. Okay, this time let me call it queue. Okay, and let's print q1. Let's add few items. q1 dot append. In the same way we can add Mohan, then print okay. Let's print it after adding. Then we have to use finally our pop function passing 0. Okay, then we have to print again our queue after removing element q. Let's print if you see after adding an element, so it is Mohan was added. The final queue we have this after removing element, so you see Raj is removed from the first position. So this is a concept of queue. Okay, so whoever comes first will be eliminated first. This is the concept. Okay, first in first out. And where you can use this queue implementation in the project, in the application development, you can always think about sending out the emails. Okay, let's say we have an application, we have to send out emails to the employee. Okay, so we can create a queue. We can create a queue of employee to whom we have to send out the email. Okay, as soon as email sends out, so queue can be updated. Okay, this is a real example. In the software development we can use queue. Let's see what is deque in Python. In case of a stack, list implementation works fine and provides both append and pop in O1 time. Okay, O1 time. This is the complexity of algorithm. This is a standard. Okay, it measures the time, how much time it takes while searching the elements in the array, in the list, while sorting the array, while sorting the list. So these concepts comes from the data structure. Okay, don't focus much on these standards we will be covering, but with the help of deque module we can actually remove the elements from the list very quickly. Okay, it will not take that much of time. How to use deque? We have to import one package from collection, right? We have to import a module, that is deque. Let me create one deque variable. We have to call this deque. Then we have to create our elements like Raj, Rohan, Amar. Let's print first this deque. Okay, run the program. So our queue is printed. Now we have to add some items in it. So deque, in order to add items, we have to use same function append. This time let's say Mohan. Okay, let's print again. So let's print our deque first. Okay, we have just added Mohan here. It is our updated deque. Now let's see what are the advantages with using deque. Deque was especially designed to have fast appends and pop from both the front and back end. Did you get the point? Like we can remove any of the element from front and back end. Okay, let's see how it will work. So let's say I have just added a new element as Mohan here. We have to, let's say, remove some elements. So if you use the pop function, it will remove the element from the top always. Okay, so let me print and saying after removing element using pop. Okay, let's print it. You see, so we have removed Mohan. So you see Mohan is been removed. This is our updated queue. Now we see one more method here which can actually remove element from front end. Okay, what is that method? That is called a popleft function. How to use it? Let's see. Popleft. Okay, now we have removed the element from the front end of the queue. So which item after removing element using popleft? So it will remove an element from the front end. So what will be the output? Then this time Raj will be removed. Okay, Raj will be removed from the queue, deque even. So first print the deque final before using popleft function. Let's run. No, let's print again after removing. Now run. Okay, you see, so after removing element using pop, so it was this queue. Then we printed the updated deque after removing element using popleft. So you see Rohan and Amar is only there. That is called popleft. If you want to remove the element from the backhand, then you use pop function. Okay,
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.